Welcome, lovers of nature and wee folk. Remember me? I'm the Queen of the Fairies, and I'm here today to magically transport you to this year's Fairy House Festival. You'll be able to relive that special day filled with sparkling bubbles, creativity, and fun in the woods. Put on your wings and come join me for a tour of Fairy House festivals gone by. But before you can fly through the magic portal into our fairy world, you know what I have to do, don't you? Hold out your hand and let me sprinkle you with my magic fairy dust. And now spread your wings and fly. Isn't the Fairy House Festival an unforgettable way to see nature as you've never seen her before? Do you feel inspired to create your own fairy house? I sure hope so. Why not fly outside today and spend time with Mother Nature and discover how you can let your imagination run free and wild? Until I see you next year at the Nature Museum's Fairy House Festival, remember, keep your heart and your mind open to all the wonders of the natural world around you. And before I go, here's another sprinkle of magic fairy dust to send you on your way.